Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Invideo account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Invideo account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address invideo.io like this and hit on enter, and you'll be redirected to the home page of the Invideo.io like this. And from over here guys, you can see at the top right corner of the screen it says the login button available for us, so let's click on the login like this. And over here guys, you can log into your Invideo account with your Google or your Facebook account respectively. If you click on either of these buttons, a login page to Google or Facebook will open, and if you log into your respective accounts, you'll be signed into your Invideo with your Google or your Facebook account. With that being said, let's enter our email which we had used to create an account on Invideo like this. And that, let's enter our password guys. But if you've forgotten your password guys, simply click on the forgot password button available over here, and then you'll be able to reset your Invideo account's password. With that being said, let's click on continue. And there guys, we have successfully signed into our Invideo account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.